I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. Also, I am founder of CareerInPharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals. I am on a mission to help 1 lakh healthcare professionals to attain financial security through career into clinical research industry.
Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to CareerInPharma. So today I will be discussing how you can make a career into clinical research industry for any abroad location, or if you want to settle in any abroad location in clinical research industry, then how you can go about this. So let's begin with this video. Before telling you how you can relocate or settle for any abroad location in clinical research industry, let me tell you little about clinical research industry, like why it's a suitable industry to settle for any abroad location. So clinical research industry is all about clinical trial, drug and diseases. So clinical trials are happening, that's why new drug is coming to the market for any new disease or any old disease for which still any permanent cure is not there, right? So with this, we all know that research and all those part are most popular in outside countries, government investing money into research in outside countries, right? So clinical research is an industry which is already developed into its peak in abroad location, and it's all started from there. So to India, clinical research is still emerging, and definitely it will boom in coming years, because now as in healthcare professionals we are also more aware about clinical trials, and also patients also know what is clinical trial. Because of this factor, now India is also a hub for clinical trials, and many contract research organizations, CROs, they are expanding their work location to of India also. Yeah, because mostly all the renowned contract research organizations, they have their global presence. That's why clinical research industry is a very suitable industry to settle for any abroad location. Okay, so with this I will tell you there are 3 ways to settle for any abroad location via clinical research industry. First is, if you are a healthcare professional or a life science graduate also, and if you are residing in any abroad location like any country like United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, okay, whatever it is, what you can do if you want to start your career into clinical research industry, then you can take some sort of certification over there, whatever country it is, based on your student visa, and later on you can find job over there based on your certification. It will help you a lot. Okay, see, based on your graduation degree, especially if you are a doctor, then maybe you can get job without any certification also, but yeah, possibility is very less. So it's always ideal to go for a certification, and then you can very easily get a job. Second way, based on your job experience in India, you can get job outside country also, because like I said, all contract research organizations, renowned contract research organizations have global presence. They are present globally, and most of the contract research organizations, they have their headquarters in United States into various locations. So based on your job experience in India, you can get job in anywhere, depending on where the CRO's office is located. That kind of thing you can do. Based on your job experience, you can directly get job over any abroad location. Third way is, suppose you are working in India office for any CRO, and based on your whatever job experience you have in India, and you can ask to your company, to your managers and HRs for any transfer option. For example, if I take example of IQVIA have various offices in India, right, into various cities. Likewise, they have headquarters in US, and in US also in various locations they have offices. So it's like a global presence. So in this case, if you are working in India, you can talk to your managers, HRs, and you can think of any transfer location if you want, if you are interested for any abroad location. Also, sometimes there is some project specific requirement, client specific requirement, so the company may send you to abroad location also. Okay, so these are the three ways to settle for any abroad location in clinical research industry. See, definitely if you go by your graduation degree, let's say if I talk about dentistry, so if you go by BDS and you want to settle in any country, then it's a long process. Also, investment is very high. So clinical research route is definitely shorter, and it's more emerging and booming industries to settle down. And definitely clinical research is such a beautiful profession, because here we are ultimately affecting the patient safety. Ultimately we are here taking care of patient safety, right? Because whatever drug is coming into market after successful completion of any clinical trial, what we are doing, we are ensuring that that drug should be safe for the patient in use, right? So that's how you can always look for patient safety via clinical research route also. It's not necessary that you go for some clinical stuff only. So that's why clinical research is a very beautiful profession, and you can go via this route also. Okay, so with this I will conclude this video, and I hope you like this video. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also if you want any other topic me to discuss, then please comment in the chat box. And also I am sharing few profiles, LinkedIn profiles, which you can go through for various ways of settling in any abroad location. Okay, so with this I will conclude this video. We'll see you next time with a new and fresh video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.